How to log out of your Binance account. What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log out or sign out of your Binance account on your phone. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. First thing first, you'll have to open up the Binance and make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to log. And once you are on, just make sure that you're logged in. Then the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up the Binance, tap on the Binance logo at the top left. It will take you to the menu section. And now from the menu section, you can just tap on the settings icon at the top right. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, as you can see, there is no option to log out. So what you have to do is tap on your profile icon or your profile name, and then you'll have two options. If you want to switch account and want to log into another account, you can tap on switch account. Or if you want to completely log out of your account, you can just tap on log out right here. It will ask you to confirm, and you will be logged out successfully. And it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.